how can you auto-translate YouTube videos on the iPad? And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So first step is to open at the App Store, where you can look up all of the apps which you want, but the point is to just search for YouTube, make sure you have it, but also ensure that if there is an update available, you click on update and get the latest version of the YouTube app. So then you can go to the YouTube as usual, start playing the content, and it kind of depends on the actual creator, because they can change it and set it up the way that they want. But there is a like a feature which is kind of a new thing, and when you have your video like in the full screen, or you can tap on the settings icon right there, you have the audio track option, and when you click on that, it can generate it into like a different language. So it will literally just automatically translate it to the like different language. So and not only the subtitles are going to show up in a different language, but you literally switch to a different audio track if you have that available, or if the creator enables it. But of course, there are also the captions, which have been here for a very long time, and you can also click on auto translate for the captions only, so the audio file will remain original. But then you can see that you can also just go for the audio track. So plenty of different options. YouTube is becoming more and more sophisticated and useful. So yeah, let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. And I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.